change your Microsoft Teams notifications, click the three dots next to your profile picture on the top right corner and click Settings. And under the Notifications tab, you will see all your notification settings in a single place. The first section, Email, lets you choose if you want to receive email notifications about missed Teams activity directly to your mailbox. Here you can choose the frequency of emails or turn it off entirely. Under Appearance and Sound, you can decide the notification style, as well as if you want to see the preview of the messages you receive. You can also choose if a sound plays with each new notification. Under Teams and Channels, you can choose if you want to receive desktop and activity notifications for all activity, for mentions and replies only, or you can select custom notification settings. Under the Custom option, you can go more granular and select the notification settings for personal mentions, team mentions, replies to conversations you started, replies to conversations you replied to, and likes and reactions. You also have additional options for channels that you have pinned to the top of your team or shown in your Teams list. The banner and feed setting will send notifications to your device and the activity section on the Teams app's top left corner. If you choose the Only Show in the Feed setting, your notifications will show up in your activity feed but won't pop up on your desktop. Also, there is an option to turn notifications entirely off. In case you wish to reset notifications to the default settings, Reset to Default will turn on notifications for each item and notify you in your activity feed and through desktop banners. Teams also allows you to customize notifications for categories such as chat, meetings and calls, people, approvals, and other. If you would like to customize notification settings for a specific channel, there are two simple ways to access custom channel settings. The first one is go to the channel, in the top right corner, select More Options, Channel Notifications. The other way is to go to the Teams section on the Teams left side, and then for a specific channel, click More Options, Channel Notifications. If there is a conversation within your channel that you wish to mute, go to the top right corner of the original message and select More Options, turn off notifications. To mute an entire chat with the other user, hover over their name in the chat section, choose More Options, Mute. To customize your mobile app settings, click on your image in the top left corner and choose Notifications. From there you can choose whether to send notifications to your phone always or to block them when active on desktop. In the mobile app, you can also set your quiet hours when you don't want to receive Teams notifications on your device. If you wish to block receiving notifications for some period of time completely, the easiest way is to set your team status to Do Not Disturb. This change will mute all your notifications, including banners or sound, until you decide to change your status. If you want to know how your organization or specific departments utilize Microsoft Teams, you can do it with Syskit Points Analytics reports. Explore channel and chat activities as well as the meeting habits in one centralized dashboard. For more Microsoft 365 tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and check out our Syskit blog.